Alright, y'all, it's about to storm, but I am going to harvest my garlic. I've already harvested for a short, but I'm going to go harvest the rest of it so you guys can see that. It has all fallen over. Let me turn you around so you can see. And we have the ones up on the hill, which they have all fallen over. And then we have the ones back there, and they've fallen over too, so we need to pull them out. So let's go do that. These are the ones that I've already harvested for my short. They're not the biggest, but they are what I got. So let's pull the rest of this up. I think I got them all from on this side. These are really small ones. And I think because the potatoes are in here, that may have staggered the growth. I don't know. But these are the ones that were in here when we got that crazy frost. So we'll just let the potatoes take over this bed for now. I do have some onions. Some are going to seed. That's my white onions. That's what we got here. Some are really, really small, but I'm going to still eat them. Damn, that one broke off under the ground. I'm going to leave it. It'll grow back next year or something. I'm just going to let them be. And all of them. Yep, that's everything. And another one broke, so two got stuck up under the ground. This is all of them. And I gotta get that collards. They're big enough. I'm gonna sit them right there. I'm gonna pull them over here. And I need to pull that out and get those beans as well. But right now, I'm gonna set those up there. I'm gonna set you guys right here. And we're gonna pull up the rest of these. These gonna be small. This bed needs to be amended. So I'm gonna put some compost down over top of this and plant something else. And take this hay up. Look at that. That ain't even much bigger than when I planted it. And the onions ain't doing nothing in here either. So that's it. I'm gonna round up how many I got. I'm gonna I got powdery mildew all over it. I'm not gonna pour that up today, but anyhow. Alright. So last year I laid all of my garlic up under that table and let it dry out. This year, I don't think I want to do that. Maybe I'll lay them on top of the table. Unless I put them in my garage, which, yeah, I might do that. I might put them in my garage. So, stay tuned for that. But these are all the ones that I got. Not for sure how many I have in total. but they're all pretty small. I think this is about the largest one, and it had two stuck together, look like. Same with that one. But, I mean, all of them are pretty small. None of them are really big. So, anyway. One. Can y'all see that? No. Of course you cannot. Alright, hopefully I didn't mess up the volume. But, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. We got 28. So, again, that is all the garlic that we have. So, I think that's pretty good. They're small, but they look good enough to eat. Alright, guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.